Hello guys! Ito ang update ng sis Joanne nyo guys. Ang person today is going town guys. Kasi very mainit, so I just flex again my guys, banana. So need na to siya i-harvest guys, or putulin, pero wala pa rin akong time yan guys. So ang time ko ngayon is going to town muna guys. Ang person, ayan, ready na tayo guys kahit sa mainit. Ayan, wara-wara muna tayo dito banda guys. O yun, ang update natin guys, magpueblo muna ang person guys, magtaon muna guys, kahit medyo may ka-late na talaga guys, may katanghalian na guys. Ayun kasi guys, burn out kasi guys. So I need to go guys, parang maka stress free tayo guys. Ayun, pakita ko yun ang update ng nilabahan ko guys. Kahapon pa yan, so continue to ay nako, hinalikan nako sa langaw guys. Bakit man yan siya na mabango naman tayo. Charis. So yun lang ang update ko guys. I need to go now. Bye for now. See you next again. Bye. God bless everyone.